How to delete your Accenture account. I'm going to tell you how to delete your Accenture account. Unfortunately, Accenture doesn't offer a direct option to delete your account through their career portal. To request deletion, you'll need to contact their data privacy team directly. You can email them at dataprivacyofficer@accenture.com with a clear request to delete your candidate profile and associated data. Be sure to include your full name, email address used for the account, and any relevant candidate ID or application details to help them locate your profile. Keep in mind that response times may vary, and some users have reported delays or lack of response. If you don't receive a reply within reasonable time frame, consider following up or seeking assistance through other channels, such as reaching out to a contact with Accenture or using their support resources.